Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce platform that primarily focuses on agriculture and consumer goods. It was founded in 2015 and has since grown to become one of the largest e-commerce platforms in China. Pinduoduo's unique selling point is its group buying feature, which encourages users to invite friends and family to purchase products at discounted prices. To make money online with Pinduoduo in 2024, follow these 15 steps in a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. 1. Research and choose a profitable niche. Identify a product category with high demand and low competition on Pinduoduo. 2. Create a seller account. Register for a seller account on Pinduoduo's official website or app. 3. Source products. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen niche, either locally or through platforms like Alibaba. 4. Set competitive prices. Offer attractive prices to attract customers, taking into account the group buying discounts. 5. Optimize product listings. Write compelling titles, descriptions, and use high-quality images to showcase your products. 6. Leverage social media. Share your products on social media platforms like WeChat, Weibo, or Douyin to reach a wider audience. 7. Offer promotions and discounts. Encourage customers to buy by offering limited-time promotions and discounts. 8. Utilize group buying feature. Encourage customers to invite friends to purchase products together to unlock further discounts. 9. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues to build trust and positive reviews. 10. Build a loyal customer base. Offer exclusive deals and rewards to returning customers to foster loyalty. 11. Implement a review strategy. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your product listings to boost credibility. 12. Analyze sales data. Regularly review your sales data to identify trends, best-selling products, and areas for improvement. 13. Expand product offerings. Based on your sales data, consider adding new products to your catalog to cater to customer demand. 14. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with popular influencers or KOLs, key opinion leaders, in your niche to promote your products. 15. Stay updated with platform changes. Keep track of any updates or changes to Pinduoduo's policies and algorithms to adapt your strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively make money online with Pinduoduo in 2024 as a beginner. Remember to be patient, persistent, and continuously improve your strategies to achieve success in the competitive e-commerce landscape.